Today for the Bitcoin and cryptocurrency prices, ladies and gentlemen, something is still smelling very, very fishy here about Bitcoin. I want to talk about that. I want to go straight into my trades. Yesterday I uploaded a video. Yes, don't get me wrong. I am still exposed to my trades, of course. As you probably know, it shouldn't come with any surprise, right? Going over here, you can see the Bitcoin trade, the long-term trade still open. Almost 17 million US dollars in realized profits. Yes, but 11 million US dollars are still in unrealized profits left. So the question is, when I will finally take profits the next time? What do I expect for Bitcoin in the immediate short term? Let's talk about that. Let's go straight into it. And ladies and gentlemen, a very clear answer to that. On the 4-hourly candles, we can see that Bitcoin was forming here this potential double bottom, right? And now I have to say one thing. So yesterday I said, it looks fishy. What we can see is this double bottom here. It looks nice. We broke out. We got rejected. And now it seems like Bitcoin is trying to confirm this break, this previous resistance, which is now potentially turning into support. So when can we say that this break is actually legitimate? Let's have a look. I want to tell you exactly what I'm waiting for. First of all, we are not seeing any volume coming in. What I need to see is that this break, this previous resistance, is turning not only into support, but a break above the previous resistance point. And that would be a break above 116,400 US dollars. If we are breaking above, closing a 4-hourly above, yes, then we can potentially look at 121,000 US dollars. And I will see a lot. I'm actually seeing a lot of resistance there. If we are pulling out the VPVR, actually, you can see that there is a lot of resistance coming until then. If we are reaching this level, honestly, guys, the biggest resistance to surpass is all the way up until 119. The moment we are getting above 119, it's blue skies ahead. But I'm telling you, this is going to be much more difficult than many people think. This is the last line of defense of the bears. The last line of defense of the bears is ending at 119,500 US dollars. This is literally the only thing I'm looking out for. If Bitcoin surpasses 120, it's blue skies ahead. Until then, it's gonna be incredibly difficult. It's gonna be a lot of psychological and also structural volume horizontal resistance for Bitcoin. So let's lean back and relax and wait for Bitcoin to actually do that, because until we are not doing that, I would remain extremely cautious for Bitcoin. Yes, these trades are staying open until then, but I am not taking any new actions. That's what I wanted to tell you. And by the way, not only wealth is wealth, no, also health is wealth. In the pinned comment down below, I'm sharing a new video with you where I'm showing you that I tried Cristiano Ronaldo's brutal diet for 24 hours. Watch this video in the pinned comment down below. Click, watch the video, because health is wealth as well. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We are going to be back at the very next one of Mmcrypto. As always, guys, as always, bye.